Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to master 150 essential English sentences that will help you handle any flight situation with confidence. Let's get started. Where are you going today?
I am flying to London.
What time is your flight?
My flight is at 10 o'clock.
Did you arrive at the airport early?
No, I arrived a little late.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, I have it with me.
Do you have your boarding pass?
Yes, it is on my phone.
How many bags do you have?
I have one suitcase and one backpack.
Is this your first flight?
No, I have flown before.
Did you check in online?
Yes, I checked in this morning.
Where is your airline counter?
It is near Gate A.
Are you excited about your trip?
Yes, I am very excited.
What happened?
I missed my flight.
Why did you miss your flight?
I arrived too late.
Did the plane leave already?
Yes, it departed 20 minutes ago.
How do you feel?
I feel worried.
Can anyone help you?
Yes, the airline staff can help me.
Did you hear the boarding announcement?
No, I did not hear it.
Was there heavy traffic?
Yes, there was a lot of traffic.
Did you get lost in the airport?
Yes, I could not find my gate.
Did security take a long time?
Yes, the line was very long.
Are you calm now?
Yes, I am trying to stay calm.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Where is the ticket counter?
It is on the first floor.
Can I book another flight?
Yes, you can.
Do I need to pay again?
It depends on your ticket.
Can I speak with an agent?
Yes, please wait here.
How long is the wait?
About 15 minutes.
Can you help me quickly?
I will do my best.
Is there another flight today?
Let me check.
Can I change my ticket?
Yes, you may be able to change it.
May I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
May I see your boarding pass?
Certainly.
What is your booking number?
It is OB 12345.
What is your full name?
My name is Alex Smith.
Can you spell your last name?
Yes, SMITA.
When was your flight?
It was at 10 o'clock.
Did you miss boarding?
Yes, I did.
What is your destination?
I am going to London.
Do you have checked baggage?
Yes, I do.
Can I help you rebook your flight?
Yes, please.
When is the next flight?
Tomorrow morning.
Is there an earlier flight?
No, there is not.
Is there a seat available?
Yes, there is one seat left.
How much is the change fee?
It is $50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, that is fine.
Will I receive a new ticket?
Yes, you will.
Can you print my boarding pass?
Certainly.
What time should I come tomorrow?
Please arrive 3 hours early.
Which gate will I use?
We will tell you tomorrow.
Where can I sit?
You can sit over there.
Is there free Wi-Fi?
Yes, there is.
Where is the restroom?
It is around the corner.
Can I charge my phone here?
Yes, you can.
Where can I buy food?
There is a cafe upstairs.
Is there a coffee shop?
Yes, it is next to the bookstore.
Can I leave the airport?
Yes, you can.
Do I need another security check later?
Yes, you will.
Can I keep my luggage with me?
Yes, you can.
Should I stay near the gate?
Yes, it is a good idea.
Do I need a hotel tonight?
Yes, I do.
Can you recommend a hotel?
Yes, there is one nearby.
Is it expensive?
No, it is affordable.
Does it have free breakfast?
Yes, it does.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it is 5 minutes away.
Can I book it now?
Yes, I can help you.
Do they have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, they do.
Is the hotel safe?
Yes, it is.
Can I check in late?
Yes, you can.
What time is check-out?
It is at 11 o'clock.
What time should I wake up?
I should wake up at 6 o'clock.
Should I set an alarm?
Yes, you should.
Should I pack tonight?
Yes, that is a good idea.
Should I charge my phone?
Yes, please do.
Should I check my passport again?
Yes, make sure you have it.
Should I arrive early?
Yes, arrive 3 hours early.
Should I check traffic?
Yes, check before you leave.
Should I eat breakfast?
Yes, have a good breakfast.
Should I print my ticket?
Yes, it is a good idea.
Should I relax?
Yes, everything will be fine.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I am.
Did you solve your problem?
Yes, I did.
Did the airline help you?
Yes, they were very helpful.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, much better.
Will you travel tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Will you arrive earlier next time?
Yes, definitely.
What did you learn today?
I learned to arrive early.
Will you check your gate sooner next time?
Yes, I will.
Will you travel again?
Yes, I love traveling.
Was this a good lesson?
Yes, it was.
Can you help me find gate 12?
Yes, it is straight ahead.
Is boarding still open?
No, boarding has closed.
Can I still get on the plane?
I am sorry, you cannot.
Can I get a refund?
Let me check your ticket.
Is travel insurance helpful?
Yes, it can help in situations like this.
Should I keep my passport safe?
Yes, always keep it with you.
Can I call my family?
Yes, of course.
Will everything be okay?
Yes, everything will be fine.
Are you ready for your next adventure?
Yes, I am ready.
What will happen in the next episode?
I will finally catch my flight.
Did you receive your new boarding pass?
Yes, I received it by email.
Can you show me your new ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Is your seat by the window?
Yes, I requested a window seat.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am traveling alone.
Do you have enough money for tonight?
Yes, I have enough money.
Did you inform your family?
Yes, I called them earlier.
Were they worried about you?
Yes, they were a little worried.
Did you find a place to stay?
Yes, I booked a nearby hotel.
Was the hotel comfortable?
Yes, it was very comfortable.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
Did you wake up on time?
Yes, my alarm woke me up.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had breakfast at the hotel.
What did you eat?
I ate eggs, bread, and fruit.
Are you feeling better today?
Yes, I feel much better.
Did you check out of the hotel?
Yes, I checked out early.
How did you get to the airport?
I took a taxi.
Was there traffic this morning?
No, the roads were clear.
Did you arrive early this time?
Yes, I arrived 3 hours early.
Did you find your airline counter easily?
Yes, it was easy to find.
Was the check-in process smooth?
Yes, everything went smoothly.
Did you print your boarding pass?
Yes, I printed a copy.
Did you check your luggage?
Yes, I checked one suitcase.
Was the security line long?
No, it moved quickly.
Did you remove your laptop?
Yes, I placed it in a tray.
Did security ask any questions?
No, they did not.
Have you reached your gate?
Yes, I am at the gate now.
How much time do you have before boarding?
I have about 1 hour.
Are you relaxed now?
Yes, I feel relaxed.
Did you charge your phone?
Yes, my phone is fully charged.
Are you listening to music?
Yes, I am listening to music.
Did you buy anything at the airport?
Yes, I bought a bottle of water.
Are there many passengers at the gate? Great job, you have just completed today's lesson. Keep practicing these sentences every day to improve your English speaking, listening, pronunciation, and confidence. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, share it with a friend who is learning English, and subscribe to English Mastery Guide for more practical English lessons. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.